Stash the Period Coach here, and today I've got a question for you. Do you wish that you could get more done in less time? Yes. Of course you do. You wish you had more downtime. We all wish we had more downtime. We all wish we had more time with family, with friends. We all wish we had more spaciousness in our lives. That's absolutely something that I hear time and time again from pretty much everyone that I work with. It's a very common refrain to the song. It's not an impossible goal though. We come from this space where hustle is the prize and there's these ideas of success that really have nothing to do with your idea of success. And unfortunately, that all comes into depleting our time. We're too busy hustling and working on the next thing to really be able to enjoy and be present and have that spaciousness of time. What if I told you that there was one really easy thing you could do to create more time? Would you do it? Yes, I would do anything, unless that thing that I'm telling you to do is run towards your body. Stop denying that you have a period and plow through every day as if they're the exact same, and actually embrace the cyclical nature of your body. Because you're gonna say to me, first of all, that's gross, I won't talk about periods. Although you're here, so that's probably not going to be you. Second of all, you're going to say, well, that just means that you want me to take more time off, and I don't have time to take time off. No. That's not at all what working in flow means. That's not at all what embracing your body means. It's actually about embracing your body, learning how it works, learning what happens in your body, and using all of that knowledge to your advantage. You're willing to drop serious money on a course or a program or whatever to learn tips and techniques to save you time, to save you energy, to do things better and more efficiently. You're willing to spend months doing this, years doing this, but you're unwilling to embrace your body and its change throughout the month, every month. Super predictable, super easy to anticipate, just because you're resisting something that's a taboo topic. And I get it, but I just want to reframe that in your head. Is it really worth holding on to that voice in your head of shame and embarrassment of the taboo to avoid that discomfort in order to really get the results that you want in a way that improves your entire life? Look at the language that we use around our cycles. You're using birth control to control your body. You're using it oftentimes for a vast variety of reasons that have nothing to do with actual reproductive issues. I can't be sick. I have too much to do. I don't have time for that. Oh, I'm so busy. And all of it is I'm trying to control my body language, right? Oh God, I just don't have time for a period. I just am so inconvenienced. This is so much of a pain in the ass. Why can't I just always feel at the peak of my energy? Because you're not at the peak. Your hormones go away after ovulation. They dip down. It's not because you're not pushing hard enough or trying hard enough or controlling your body enough. It's just what happens, whether you like it or not. So rather than resist and push and try and push back against your body, forcing it to do what you want it to do, what if you just tried working with it? Try actually embracing what's going on and use that knowledge to your advantage. I've said that phrase before, use your knowledge to your advantage. So when you're starting to build your business in flow, you get more time, you get more spaciousness because you start to batch things when you're really good at them. And this gives you far more time in order to really actually get things done because you're doing the things that you're good at when you're good at them. You get them done quicker, more efficiently. That gives you more time. Well, you've got to learn what that knowledge is. You've got to learn what the advantages are in your cycle. And this is the opportunity that I'm offering here today, is to jump into Funnel of Flow, put together a business funnel for you, for your business, for whatever it is you want, in flow with your cycle. So you can learn some of the advantages in your cycle for running your business. If you were plugged into your body, you would not only get everything done, you'd have time for a nap at the end anyway. Your business would be months ahead instead of frantically trying to catch up. Your business would be proactive instead of reactive. That's the difference of running your business with flow versus shoving your body into the patriarchal definition of what it means to be a successful business person. So start syncing your business with your flow. What are the things that you enjoy doing and when do you enjoy doing them? Now there's a standard for what most women do during these different phases, and that's what we'll be talking about in Funnel of Flow. Click below, and I will see you for the class. All right, Ovary Gang, peace out, and I will see you next week.